Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in a 4-hour chart. Friends, it is very important to understand the consolidation moves of gold futures during the previous week because tariff trade war was just about to resolve. Therefore, the gold futures were sustaining at the current levels before the final outcome of the talks going on between China and the US. No doubt that both the major economies of the world tried their best to resolve this issue, but despite a plethora of efforts, their all attempts proved futile when on Saturday the US President wrote on Twitter that he thinks China felt they were being beaten so badly in recent negotiations that they may as well wait for the 2020 presidential election to see if they could get lucky and have a Democrat win, in which case they would continue to rip off the US for $500 billion a year. The statement from the US President looks evident enough to shake global equity markets to slide with more steep downward moves with heavy sell-offs on the first trading session of the upcoming week. No doubt that the growing sell-offs will likely to continue during the upcoming weeks because the statement given by US President looks to have a long-lasting impact over the global equity markets, especially at the time when the whole world is passing through growing concerns for economic slowdown, which compelled the central banks to adopt an accommodative policy on the matter of interest rate hike. Now I find that if we find a heavy sell-off on the first trading session of the upcoming week, no doubt that the gold futures look ready to take a sharp upward move up to the levels of $1,333, where they will find their first resistance because a futile attempt to resolve tariff trade war will compel gold bugs to go long from the current levels, and I find that the gold futures will take steep upward move up to the levels of $1,309 during the first trading session of the upcoming week. No doubt that the volatility will be on the higher scale in precious metal, but overall trend looks on the bullish side because I find that on every downward move, this 200 days moving average will provide good support to gold futures, and from these levels, because I find that there is a thick presence of gold bulls below the levels of $1,289, therefore I find that the gold bulls will try to go long from the current levels for an immediate target at the level of $1,309, and no doubt that a sustainable move above the level of $1,310 will result in a sharp upward move up to the levels of $1,334 during the upcoming week. Now let us see this move in an hourly chart. Here in an hourly chart you can see that after a sustainable move at the level of $1,269, gold futures started to take sharp upward move on May 3rd, 2019. And since then, after achieving the targets of $1,291, gold futures have been consolidating amid this range, which looks evident enough for a steep upward move during the upcoming week. So friends, I find that the uptrend in gold futures looks intact in an hourly chart, and secondly, in an hourly chart, gold futures are getting good support at 200 days moving average on every downward move. After May 3rd, we have seen that the gold bulls look too encouraging to go long from these levels. At the level of $1,280, there is a thick presence of gold bulls. Therefore, the gold futures have consolidated till Friday, and no doubt that a statement on Saturday by the US President will compel gold bulls to go long with a steep upward move, and I find that a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week will confirm the continuity of this uptrend in gold futures during the upcoming week. So friends, I find that every downward move up to the level of the 1279 will provide good opportunity to go long in gold futures for an immediate target of $1309. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.